How to add friends on Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Fortnite. First of all, launch open the Fortnite application on your device and from the main lobby screen, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now, click on the plus icon with a small human in it at the top and click on the search bar. Enter a display name for your friend you want to search. Type in their username or the display name and search. From the search results, if you find your friend there, go ahead and tap on their profile icon and click on Add Friend. You'll then be able to send a friend request to the person. Once they accept your request, you'll become friends. So that is how you easily add friends in Fortnite. Repeat this step to add any other player. So, there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.